This is a peer review. This is a self review on my informative speech. So when I went up there, I I felt a lot less nervous than I did the first time. Because on the first time, I was sweating a lot when I was up there, but this time I really wasn't. And and I feel like I did a better job, but my grade was a lot lower than the first time. Maybe because I was looking at my notes a lot more, which I probably should have practiced my speech a little bit more or just made flashcards just to go off key points instead of just kind of skimming through my paper and then saying my speech. But that's what I'm gonna need to work on for our final speeches to make certain key points and then and just practice so I don't look down or look away from the audience as much as I did. And probably they do more hand gestures will always help because I didn't do a whole lot other than my hand going up to like move the my slides and point on those certain pictures that I had. Because for the most part, I was just kind of just standing there, not really. I didn't make the speech as good as I could have. I wasn't really. I wasn't doing the whole thing where you were teaching us with the Martin Luther King with certain words, kind of make them higher and lower. So for my next speech, I'm gonna make sure to incorporate that into my speech, so you'll be able. So I can give it a more pizzazz, I guess, to my speech and make it a lot better, and just honestly just practice it a lot more. So when I go up there, I know what I already have, so I already know what I'm gonna say, and I'm not looking down at my paper like I did this time because I know that really messed up my grade, and it won't happen again. But I guess the good thing was, no, the good thing that came from the speech is that I'm not as nervous as I was the first time. So I'm sure the third time I'll be a lot calmer, so I won't panic as much. So that's the good thing I can take away from this informative speech. That I know what I have to do and how to do it right for the next time. Thank you.